To conquer your field, you must first conquer your limitations. Prepare, develop your skills, and be ready for when opportunity comes.
For the last 6 years, we've grown quite a bit at Bay Area Underpinning. When I look around and see our team, I see a lot of dedication, a lot of integrity, a lot of hard work. So we were looking what would take us to the next level. By teaming with Groundworks, they could provide all the resources that we need to get us to the next level.
The resources are going to be endless, whether it's from production, the office, sales departments.
Having all the hands-on training, having the engineering behind it.
There's opportunity for the teams to learn and grow with the company and become leaders.
This opportunity isn't about us, it's about our entire team. It's about giving them the tools to succeed and to progress their careers and to truly trust their dopeness.
To merge with a company that is a national brand name, it's going to give the opportunity for people to move up into positions that we could never fulfill for BAU.
It's going to affect families that have worked hard in years. Everybody will have an opportunity they may not have had.
The BAU team has always owned what they've done every day. They own what they do on the job, they own what they do for the customers, and as of today, they would join Groundworks as owners.
Having ownership into a company makes you drive a lot more.
It's 100% going to be life-changing. We're not going to lose who we are. Groundworks is going to support what we're about, and they're only going to enhance that.
Everybody's going to get a chance to prove themselves and be successful.
With this partnership with Groundworks, we'll be able to expand our market, but we're not just confined to the Bay Area.
To us, conquering the West means expansion, and by expansion we mean beyond California to the surrounding states as well.
2 months ago, we had a kickoff. I spoke to everybody in the room and ensured them that we're going to be the biggest and baddest foundation contractor on the West Coast. Well, we made that step to conquer the West.
Now, we have the resources we need to dive deeper and reach for what we once thought was impossible. We have the team to expand our horizons and conquer the West.